Welcome to our deep dive into Apple's anticipated M5 Mac Mini. With the tech world abuzz about potential upgrades, we're here to unpack everything, from design changes to performance enhancements. Whether you're a creative professional, a developer, or a tech enthusiast, this video will provide insights into what the M5 Mac Mini could offer. The evolution of the Mac Mini. A brief history. The Mac Mini has long been Apple's compact desktop solution, offering versatility and power in a small form factor. From its inception, it has catered to users seeking a balance between performance and affordability. M4 Mac Mini recap. The M4 Mac Mini, released in late 2024, brought significant improvements. Design overhaul, a sleeker, more compact chassis resembling the Mac Studio. Performance boost. Introduction of the M4 and M4 Pro chips, offering up to 1.8x faster CPU performance and 2.2x faster GPU performance over the M1 model. Apple. Port selection. Inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 standard M4 and Thunderbolt 5 M4 Pro, HDMI, USB-A, and Ethernet ports. Pricing. Starting at $599 for the base model. Anticipated features of the M5 Mac Mini. Design expectations. While the M4 introduced a significant redesign, the M5 is expected to retain this form factor, focusing on internal upgrades rather than external changes. Performance enhancements. CPU and GPU. M5 chip. Rumored to maintain a 10-core CPU, but with a potential increase to 12 GPU cores, enhancing graphics performance. M5 Pro chip. Expected to feature up to 12 CPU cores and 18 GPU cores, catering to professionals requiring higher computational power. Memory and storage. RAM. Base configurations likely to remain at 16 GB for the M5 and 24 GB for the M5 Pro. Geeky gadgets. Storage. Anticipated increase in base storage from 256 GB to 512 GB for the M5 and from 512 GB to 1 TB for the M5 Pro. Release timeline and pricing. Production and launch window. Reports suggest that production of the M5 chips is underway, with the Mac Mini M5 expected to launch between late 2025 and early 2026. Industry insiders suggest a potential release window in November 2025 or early 2026, possibly in January or February. Geeky gadgets. Pricing. Pricing is anticipated to align closely with the M4 models. Geeky gadgets. Base M5. Starting at $599. M5 Pro, starting at $1,399. User expectations and market impact. Target audience. The M5 Mac Mini is poised to appeal to creative professionals. Enhanced GPU performance benefits video editors, graphic designers, and 3D artists. Developers. Improved CPU capabilities support faster code compilation and testing. General consumers. Upgraded base specifications offer better value for everyday tasks. Market positioning. By maintaining competitive pricing while offering performance enhancements, the M5 Mac Mini is expected to strengthen Apple's position in the compact desktop market. Conclusion. The upcoming M5 Mac Mini represents a significant step forward in Apple's desktop lineup. With anticipated improvements in performance, storage, and memory, it promises to meet the demands of both professionals and everyday users. As we await official announcements, the excitement continues to build for what could be Apple's most powerful Mini yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest Apple news and reviews.